Um, Welcome guys to my weekly bias. This is Conquest Domain Trading, where we share our trading ideas in the indices. Mainly the number one indice that we trade is the Nasdaq. And welcome to this week's weekly bias. We can see that we've ran price down lower to run these equal lows as well as running the sell stops just below, and we can see that for the past 200 weeks we've averaged a drop of we have an average drop of 32%, as well as now we've reached a drop of 30.97%. I see the Nasdaq potentially forming a swing low at the 200 EMA, and after this run on sell stop, this current run, yeah. Um, but I also think that if price was to be bullish for this week, price must not go lower than the previous week's low for bullish bias, and potentially forming a swing low, and that will form as a head and shoulders on the lower time frame. Okay. But then another view that I also have is that we can have a potential run just below the 200 EMA uh, for collecting buy orders. Yeah. So we'll see the closure of this week and see how price goes on as we go down to the daily time frame. Dun, dun, dun. Switching to the daily time frame. Welcome guys. This is a daily time frame switch for the turn. Yeah. There we go. Guys, we can see that currently we have a run on a short-term low, on the daily time frame, right? Whereby we also created a swing low. The previous day I was expecting price to trade through this swing through the previous day's high. I was expecting price to trade through it, and unfortunately price what price did was I also expected it in terms of the Nasdaq setting up for the weekly move, right? Whereby price will drop but not break below this area right here. If you stick with me, we do go down to the lower time frame where we go in depth as to where price made a turn and where we expect price to be going. But for the day, I'm expecting price to be bullish and trade well above yesterday's high and breaking this short-term swing high. And I'll be targeting the short-term high of 6